Hi, my name is Kelsey Emis, and I'm a freshman elementary education major. The grade that I hope to teach is kindergarten. I feel like that is such a sweet age, and the students are so eager to learn at this point that it would just be a really fun classroom environment. After teaching a couple years, it is a goal of mine to get my master's in special education. This is something I've always had a passion for and hope to accomplish. I'm so excited to become a teacher because I think it'll be such a fun and rewarding job that I'll look forward to going to every day. I've lived in Olathe, Kansas my whole life. I'm really close with my family. In the top left picture, that is at my brother and sister-in-law's wedding. I have an older brother and older sister, and they are both married. My sister has a little boy named Colton, and that is who is in the bottom left picture. I love spending time with him. He's so sweet. And then I also have a dog named Scout. On campus, I am a member of Baker's dance team, and I'm also involved in a sorority. One thing that I hope to learn from this class is I'm not always the most creative when it comes to technology. I'm just more know the basics, so I hope to learn fun new ways to incorporate technology in my future classroom. Thank you. I'm excited for this class.